Time to give the Cheeto an oil change. She's a 2007 Dodge Caliber. It is the RT package. Most of the Calibers came with a 1.8 or a 2.0, but the RTs have the 2.4 liter inline 4. So if you're using a jack, make sure you got jack stands. Otherwise, pull it up onto some ramps. You'll need a 13 millimeter socket. Real easy to find under here. There's your oil filter. Right there's your drain plug. Would someone please tell me why these oil change places put these filters on so dadgum tight? You should be able to remove this with your hand. Finally, we made some progress here. Make sure you fill up your new filter with a little oil before you put it on, and rub a little on that gasket. 16 pounds is all that's required for these things, so it's easily achieved by hand. The drain plug has been replaced. The oil filter has been filled and replaced. And right now what I'm going to do is add in just about 6 or 8 ounces of Marvel Mystery Oil, just because I want to get it good and clean in there. It does thin it out a bit, but it cleans the engine. The engine oil, of course, comes in a 5-quart jug, but this only needs 4.5 quarts. But that's okay, because I'll just spill the rest on top of the engine as I'm pouring it in. Crank it up and nothing's leaking. Looks like we're good to go.